impactful. You might think you need grand gestures to make an impression, but sometimes simply being around in a positive way is enough. This is the mere exposure effect in action. Psychologists have found that, all else equal, we tend to develop a preference for things and people simply because we are familiar with them. The more we are exposed to something, the more we tend to like it, provided the initial interactions are neutral or positive. The mirror effect here is subtle, but potent. Your consistent, positive presence signals safety and familiarity. Over time, this familiarity is mirrored back as comfort and a quiet sense of liking. You become part of their positive landscape. Actionable tip: practice consistent, low-pressure presence. This means showing up reliably to group events, offering a brief, friendly greeting, or engaging in short, positive interactions over time. You don't need to dominate the room. Simply being a consistent, pleasant presence allows familiarity to build, gently increasing likability. It's a natural human instinct. We're drawn to people who are like us. This isn't just a casual observation, it's a well-documented phenomenon in social psychology. When we discover similarities, whether in hobbies, values, beliefs, or even shared experiences, it instantly creates a sense of belonging and understanding. It makes the other person feel familiar and safe, leading to increased liking. The mirror effect here is powerful. When you genuinely express your true self and your interests and find common ground, it mirrors back a sense of kinship. They see a reflection of themselves or what they value in you, and that connection deepens. Actionable tip: genuinely seek and highlight common ground. This isn't about faking interests. It's about asking open-ended questions and truly listening for shared passions, unique experiences, or similar perspectives. When you find common ground, explore it. These shared points become immediate bridges. Have you ever noticed how when someone does something kind for you, you almost instinctively want to do something kind back? That's the powerful principle of reciprocity at play. Research shows we're wired to feel compelled to return favors, gifts, or even just genuine gestures of interest. This isn't about keeping score. It's about initiating a positive cycle of giving and receiving that strengthens bonds. The mirror effect here is direct. When you genuinely give value, kindness, or attention, others feel intrinsic pull to mirror that value back to you. You become seen as a generous, thoughtful individual, and people naturally want to engage more deeply. Actionable tip: be the first to genuinely give. This could mean offering sincere, non-expectant compliments, sharing a useful resource, offering a small, thoughtful favor, or sharing an appropriate personal insight. The key is that it's authentic and given without strings attached. Your genuine outreach often inspires others to reciprocate, creating a virtuous cycle of mutual respect and affection.